Hey, this is Brianna here. Welcome back to another video with Traveling Jewel. If you already subscribed here, thank you. And if you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to have you here. Today's topic is 3 reasons why I never used a travel advisor before becoming one. I know. Let's get right into it. So reason number 1 is because I was booking my travel by myself. I've always booked my own travel, like 85% of most people. And I was like, I don't really need any help to do that. But I had no idea that I could actually be making a commission off of my trips, like saving upwards to $300. I did look at some of the trips that I took in the past before I became a travel advisor, and yeah, I missed out on a lot of money by not being one. All right, reason number 2 was that I thought it was pretty expensive to use a travel advisor, but it actually is not. So I had no idea. So basically, travel advisors, they just pretty much go by your budget, your trip, your way. So once you fill out, your form and your expectations, they give you 3 quotes based off your budget and can negotiate so you can have the best experience possible. Not only that, they make money from the commissions. So typically you don't really have to pay anything out of pocket unless it is a research fee, which ranges depending on the, complexity of your vacation. So if it's a simple trip, $15 research fee, and if it's a more complex trip, it might be more expensive, but it's guaranteed to be cheaper than anything that you can find on your own. And reason number 3, I thought that I had to go into a building or talk to somebody. Some people are introverted. And may not feel comfortable with actually speaking with somebody, but no worries. You can actually communicate completely online through emails, or you can just text, whichever form of communication is most comfortable for you to make sure you get your best vacation plan. So if this sounds like something interesting to you, if you would like to sign up to become a travel advisor, please click the link below. And if you would like me to plan your next vacation, please also click the link below. I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and adventure awaits.